Michelle Cromer. This is your Creating a Meaningful Life Tip of the Week. Today, I want to challenge you to look at spaces the same way I do through my feng shui eyes, so that when you go into a friend's office or home, you can dissect what's going on with their life and maybe give them some tips to maybe work through some things. So here's a couple of things. Number one, the overpacked desk. A desk is symbolic of our careers. So that owner is most likely feeling stuck at work. After that desk is organized, the person is able to focus their awareness and receive clarity on future plans. The disorganized kitchen. If you walk in and you go into the cluttered kitchen of your friend, this speaks to emotional fragility or resentment not overcome. The message is to receive emotions surrounding family relationships and pay attention to what nurtures each member of that family. An unorganized garage. We all have unorganized garages, but then when there are too many objects in the garage, it implies fear of the new. The garage represents stability, security, and safety. And after that garage is organized, the overall sense of being grounded is felt. A messy closet. We all have messy closet. But if your friend does, ask, what are you hiding? Know their truth and encourage them to find the courage and strength to express it. If they're clinging on to old clothes, clothes represent our identity and our ability to be seen. Give them permission to grow and change. Books that build up. Books can easily pile up. They represent wisdom, passion, and what we deem to be important. Simply ask your friend, what do they believe? And how have they allowed their belief systems to evolve and reflect their current life stage? Repurpose those old books to public libraries, schools, homeless shelters, and neighbors. If they have a cluttered wallet, wallets that are unorganized or ignored could reflect the relationship they have with finances. So revisit the finances is a good suggestion, and tell them to take time to get all their accounts in order. An unkept bedroom. That means no matter where it is in the house, this bedroom will always represent their relationships, the intimacy they share with their partners, and the energy surrounding romance. So tell them to look at this room and spend some time reviewing their own emotional clutter and what their surrounding personal relationships mean to them. Like any language, we all must translate the meaning according to our own personal perspective and our own life. Our home and offices aren't just places to live and work. They are a broader constellation of experiences, meanings, and situations that shape the creation of our world. Cleaning up the clutter can have a positive effect on all aspects of our lives and the lives of people that we know and love. Y'all ask me questions at michelle@michellekromer.com. Thanks.